Imagine a seed, a tiny powerhouse of nutrition that holds secrets to a healthier, happier you. Yes, we're talking about the humble pistachio. Now, what if I told you that this little nut is not actually a nut at all? That's right, the pistachio is, in fact, the seed of the pistachio tree. Picture the tree with its bountiful branches, swaying in the breeze, each one teeming with clusters of these vibrant green seeds, quietly nurturing a wealth of health benefits. Pistachios are rich in protein, providing the building blocks for our muscles. They're packed with antioxidants, those vital compounds that help protect our bodies from damage and disease. They're abundant in unsaturated fatty acids, the good kind of fats that help keep our hearts healthy. And let's not forget about potassium, a mineral that supports our nervous system and maintains fluid balance in our bodies. Now here's something to make your heart sing a little more. Pistachios are cholesterol-free. High cholesterol can lead to heart disease, so incorporating these seeds into your diet could be a step towards a healthier heart. And as if that wasn't enough, they're a good source of essential vitamins and minerals. But wait, before you rush out to stock up on pistachios, there's something you should know. You see, some pistachios are dyed, and it's better to avoid these. The dye doesn't add anything beneficial, it's purely cosmetic. So when you're choosing pistachios, go for the natural, undyed ones. They're just as delicious, and you'll be doing your body a favor. Pistachios, small in size but mighty in benefits. But that's just scratching the surface. Now let's delve deeper into the ways pistachios can be your secret weapon for better health. Picture this, a simple, unassuming seed, packed with a punch of nutrients. That's the pistachio for you. Firstly, these clever little seeds are a natural promoter of healthy gut bacteria. Yes, your gut, often referred to as your second brain, can thrive with the help of pistachios. They're rich in fiber, which aids digestion and fosters a beneficial gut environment. Next on the list is their role in heart health. Pistachios are a valuable ally in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. They're full of unsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants, which help keep your heart ticking along nicely. But what about blood sugar, you ask? Well, pistachios have you covered there too. They're low in carbohydrates and high in protein. A winning combination that can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. And it doesn't stop there. Pistachios also contribute to the health of your blood vessels. Their high levels of antioxidants, particularly lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E, can help protect your blood vessels from damage. Now let's not forget about your eyes. Pistachios are one of the few natural sources of zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that's been associated with improved eye health. And if you're looking to shed a few pounds, pistachios might be just the ticket. Despite being energy dense, they also contain a good amount of protein and fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks. In a nutshell, pistachios can be a powerhouse of health benefits. But remember, even the best things come with their own set of caveats. While pistachios, with a serving size of about 1 ounce or approximately 49 kernels, are packed with benefits, they do have a few side effects to consider. Even the most nutritious foods can have their drawbacks, and pistachios are no exception. For instance, they can contribute to an increase in your daily sodium intake. This is particularly true for the salted varieties, which can pose a risk for those monitoring their sodium levels. Furthermore, pistachios are also high in FODMAPs, a group of carbohydrates that may not be easily digested by some people, leading to digestive discomfort. If you have a sensitive stomach or suffer from a digestive disorder, you might want to limit your intake or opt for a different nut. And of course, like any food, there's always the risk of allergies. Pistachios belong to the same family as cashews and mangoes, so if you're allergic to either of these, you might want to steer clear of pistachios as well. But don't let these potential side effects deter you from enjoying these nutritious seeds. There are ways to mitigate these risks and still reap the benefits. For instance, choosing unsalted pistachios can help you control your sodium intake. Now, let's delve into the practical side of things. Pistachios can be enjoyed in a myriad of ways, adding a crunchy twist to your meals. Sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal, toss them in your salad, add to your smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a standalone snack. The possibilities endless. As for storage, you can keep your pistachios fresh for up to a year in the refrigerator or up to 3 years in the freezer. Just make sure they're stored in airtight containers to maintain their flavor and nutritional value. So the next time you reach for a snack, remember the humble pistachio. It's not just a seed, it's a secret to a healthier you. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.